Hi all. We have developed the automation tool which can take care of some of the major SAP maintenance activities like start SAP, stop SAP, and you can see on this PDF almost 17 activities, and the mainly SAP host agent upgrade, agent upgrade, kernel upgrade including ABAP, Java, and Web Dispatcher as well, and the system rename and HANA database rename as well. And here you can see the current kernel patch number is 500 and we're targeting to 800. In the back end, I will open the SAP system and I have the script in this following location. Basically, these scripts take care of prerequisites like taking the backups of kernel, stopping SAP, upgrading the kernel, and starting SAP as well. Here you can see the kernel upgrade option is 15 and SID ADM as SMD ADM. If you want to upgrade the kernel with SAR files, select as S, and if you want to upgrade with the backup folder where you have extracted all the SAR files, you can select no. But here we will use the SAR files. Select S and hit Enter, and path for the download SAR files. And path for the download SAR files, and our target is 801. I've taken the DB independent SAR file, and now DB dependent SAR file. Here this will validate all the SAR files which we have given. And we also have that option to upgrade the DBA tools. Here we also upgrading. Let's say select as this and path. It's in the same location. And the SAR file name as DBA. Patch level is 47. Here it shows the current and target kernel versions. That is, we are going to 801 from 500. Say S. This is in process of stopping SAP. Here you can note down the time as 490, and stopping the SAP depends on the system hardware resources. Here you can see the pop-up. It says application server went down. That means it's stopped SAP, the backend. Here you can see it also stops the agents and it clears the IPC and the application is stopped, and it's upgrading the kernel. And now it's starting the SAP. Yeah, now this got started, and here, as you know, we have started this activity at 4:19. That means it stopped SAP, and by 4:22 it has started SAP. So basically it has taken backup of kernel, stopped SAP, upgrade the SAP with the SAP kernel, and started SAP as well within approximately 3 minutes. If you see the summary here, it has upgraded from 500 patch level to 8.1. This script also upgrades SAP kernel release as well, not only the patch. And you can see the backup location here and the log files. Here it's a log file of the script. And here we can, let's see the version now. You can see here the patch 801, and also it has started SAP as well.